What is good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create curved text in Canva. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is click on Create a Design. Then you want to click on Custom Size. It doesn't really matter what size you choose. So after you have chosen your size, click on Create New Design. Now click on text. Now add any of the fonts that you like, right? Now choose a font. Now write something in there, like how to curve text in Canva, right? Now you want to choose effects, and there we go. We have the effect right here. Now, after you've chosen that, your text is going to be curved. Now you can make it as curved or as straight as you want it to be. If this video helped you out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you guys have any more questions, leave a comment down below.